I can understand the situation out there, but you know, but I was seeing the tennis tournaments happening, I was wondering how come badminton is not starting, and we just also feel like some kind of demotivation sometimes. But somehow the game is always kept us a little bit happy and motivated, and the friends atmosphere. Everyone was like, we have to train, and we never know when the tournaments will start, but. I'm very happy Denmark could do it. They're starting the tournament with the Thomas Uber Cup and Denmark Open, and very, very happy actually. At the same time, yes, everyone is taking the vaccine, so it's very satisfying again. Yeah.
Sana, what is it that keeps you motivated? You said that the world has been suffering from the COVID pandemic. What keeps you motivated of practicing without knowing, okay, when can I actually go back to play tournaments?
I think it's about the atmosphere. As I said, my husband, my parents, my upbringing from childhood. It's always been like I'm a sporty person. I always like to play some kind of sport. And when God has given me this opportunity to be a professional player, then why not just stick to the game which I like, and which I've been doing well also in. And that's what, sometimes I feel, it's getting a little tough because everyone is suffering. Then why should I even go and give 100%? But at the same time, I feel this is what, it's my job, it's my work. Everyone is out there working, keeping their mind off these things, and they just want to be happy after doing their work. So I have to do the same thing, and I think that's what has kept me away from all the negative news and tough times what everyone is facing. But yeah, all thanks to the game. I think the game has really helped me to stay in shape, stay healthy at least. Otherwise I've seen many people putting on so much of weight and not able to get that motivation on. Yeah,
it's never polite to talk about the age of a woman, of course.
Yes.
But turned 31 now.
Yes.
What are the retirement thoughts at the moment? Because players, when they turn 30, normally they start to think about, okay, what about the life after?
Yeah.
For a lot of female players, also about starting family with kids, and so. What are the thoughts of yours?
I feel, when I'm earning so much with the game, why should I just give it up, like that? What will I do even after retiring? I know it's, you'll have a family and you'll have kids, but why can't you have it at 36, 37? And nowadays, everything is okay. In India, you follow the Bollywood stars. Everyone is enjoying their lives. So it's the same. I feel like, why not continuing the sport which I like? And when I'm getting so much of fame with it, so much of money with it, and without it, I'll be just sitting at home watching TV or watching maybe some kind of serial. But I think this is what I enjoy, and till when I can do it, I think I should try it, because when you see Roger Federer or Djokovic, or I think they also feel that why should we even play after achieving so much, or after he's 40, I think, Roger Federer. So but he says, I love the game, it's keeping me happy. So till I'm happy with the sport, I'll continue it. So it's the same with me. When I'll feel it's enough, my body is not helping me, and the injuries are not I'm not able to control them, then I think it's the time. But at the moment, I think I'm just enjoying the trips. I'm enjoying coming out, seeing the matches. And if at all I win something now, it will be great for me.
Let's be honest, Sarana. Is it harder to get out of bed at 31 compared to 23, for instance?
I think 23 was tougher. At the moment, the way I'm training and the way I'm actually looking after myself, I feel much better. My body feels very, very good. It's the way you train is important. I think at 23, the training which I took and which I was doing was not so good. I used to get up with back pains, with a lot of leg irritations. But at the moment, I just feel I can get up and go on the court and play. So the feeling is so good at the moment. So that's why I just told you the first thing was that I'm feeling good. And that's what is important for players.
One of the things that always pops into my head when I see you play and also see you enter the European tournaments, that you actually always do pretty good when you play in Europe.
Yes.
Denmark Open, good result. World Championships in Europe, good result. Olympics, good result.
Yes.
Why does Europe fit you so well?
I never thought about it. It's a nice this thing, but I feel I don't know. I'm just good here, and I'm also good in Indonesia as well. I've got many victories over there, But I don't know actually. I didn't really think about it. But it's a very nice thing you have told me about, and I'm very happy that yes, most of the big wins are in Europe, and I hope I could continue them in the next two tournaments. But I don't know what suits me. Maybe the shuttles, maybe the atmosphere, maybe the courts. Sometimes the atmosphere and the shuttles and the conditions help you to really adjust very well. So I think that's what happened. And Denmark has always been this. Basically, they're all the same halls. We never got changed anywhere. So I think that's why from the starting only, I think I really liked the Denmark Open Hall and the French Open Hall. They're very big and there's no air condition. It's very easy to play in. There's not lot of drift and anything like that. So I think maybe that is a condition. But then when I think why I play well in Indonesia when there is so much of drift
that's
over
the
there.
opposite actually. Yeah.
So you never know. Sometimes players just you can't they can't even say why they're good in one particular way. But I think the more fitter I am, the better I am, and I can retrieve more shuttles. Then it's much better for me to perform. So whenever you have told me that I did well in Denmark Opens, and I was always in my fittest, shape, and that's why I think I did pretty well in Denmark 2012, 2018, then French Open 2012, and then after that 2017 or 2018, again I did well over there. So it's whenever I'm in my good condition, good shape, naturally the results will come. But yes, if the shuttles are really fast and I can't control it, like sometimes in Malaysia Open, then maybe I can't say that. But finally it depends on the fitness, I would say. The more fitter you are, if you take the example of Lee Chong Wei, Lindan, the more fitter you are better everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Out here, a star is blinking saying Paris 2024.
Yes.
Is that also a star blinking for you?
I am just, still I have not overcome this this time Olympics because 7 tournaments got cancelled, We still were like, what is this? Maybe one tournament I would have got. And then I was just like one tournament away. Like I just needed one quarterfinals. And 7 tournaments got cancelled. I still can't believe the tournament also happened and it's gone. Obviously, I don't know what will happen in 24, but I can definitely say I feel good. I would like to try for that. And why not when, if everything falls in place, I'm sure I can do that.